What's up, all my fine girls? No pimple. Is Whit here again with another video. So with another video, like what? Like am I like trying to nuck if you buck? Anyways, I am back with another Bring It Back Thursday video. Okay, so this is a series that I started here on my channel last week, literally, and pretty much every Thursday I just want to bring out a palette that is either older, so it's been out for a couple months, couple years, and just play with it again. It's a way for us to be a little bit more financially, you know, cautious of how much we're spending, you know, not over consume, and utilize what we already have in our collection. So this week I am going to be using the Jackie Aina palette in collaboration with Anastasia. So you already know I have to cue the song, so let's get to it. Okay, I enjoy doing, like, that's what I literally looking forward to about these videos, is getting to have that dance break. So I hope you guys are turned up with me, okay? Because listen, we're bringing it back, okay? Bring it back. I need to stop, okay? Let's go ahead and get into this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below any palettes you want to see going forward for Bring It Back Thursday. Let me know down below. So yes, let's go ahead and get started. All right, you guys, so let us go ahead and begin. As per usual, I already have my brows fully filled in. I use the Anastasia brow pomade in the shade Ebony. I'm gonna prime my eyes using the Makeup Revolution eyeshadow base in medium. So you guys really, I got like really good feedback from the Bring It Back Thursday video that I posted last week. And I had a different palette planned for this day, but like literally, it was a couple of y'all that left a comment for the Jackie Aina palette. So I was like, you know what? Let me give the people what they want. So I just switched things around. And today we're gonna be playing around with Jackie's palette, which I haven't used her palette in quite some time. So I'm actually excited to whip this out and create a really fun look with it. All right, so this is her palette right here. And this is what it looks like, you know, for anybody who just wants to see it. So what do I want to do today? I think I wanna do something purple. Well, no, not necessarily purple, but I do want to use the purple in her palette. Or should I do the brown? What do I want to do for my outer V? I kind of want to do something with the purple. I want to do something with this shade, and I think this shade. Oops. So let us see. Let me grab the brush that I like to use to pack down my outer V shade. So I think, let me look at this again. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. All right, so what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna go into this brown shade right here, and that is called Credit. And I'm just gonna place this in my outer V. Ooh, yo, wait a minute. Okay, it's been a minute since I played with this palette, and I probably forgot how dark this was because I just posted, was it, what day was that? When I did if I could only keep 10 palettes, and I was talking about how I would have loved for this palette to have a black, which I still would love that, but I didn't realize that this brown was this dark. It has been a while since I've used it, so I definitely forgot. And it doesn't look as dark in the pan, but yo, this is beautiful. Okay, well, I'm glad that I chose this shade. And so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the shade called Ginger, which is such a beautiful like ginger color, and I'm gonna use that to blend out the edges of this shade and also be like my transition color. Oh my gosh, you guys, so like I recently have really gotten into the House of Mancera when it comes to perfume, and like I got a new one in the mail today. Let me show you guys. So recently I picked this one up. This is new to my collection, Rose is Greedy, and I sprayed this all over me before I started filming. I smell amazing, okay? I cannot stop smelling myself. Okay, so I think I like how I blended that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back into that Credit shade, the dark brown, and I'm just going to re-emphasize this here. I love it when I love it when I love. And I'm just gonna take the same brush that I was putting that dark brown with to blend the top of it too, further into this color. I like the way, oh yes, I like the way that looks. Okay, so what I wanna do next is I wanna do like a partial like partial cutting the crease, because I'm not really going to cut my entire crease. Sometimes like I don't want to do a full cut crease, but like I want some more primer because I definitely want to put some lid shades, and like this brown kind of got a little too far over. So I just like kind of re-go over this with the primer. So just kind of like a partial cutting of the crease. And now for the lid shade, I want to take that Soleil shade, and I also want to take that Sponsored shade, and I also want to take that Wigglelise shade. So I want to use all three of these. So this one, and this one. But I'm trying to figure out how I want to do this. And so now, okay, you know what? Let me first start off with this shade, and then we're going to this shade, and then I'll see how I can incorporate that red shade if I can incorporate it. So where is the brush? I need two of them. Yeah, okay, let me take you two. So let's first start off with that Soleil shade. Okay, so there's that. And then let me take that Sponsored shade. Let's see how this looks. Ooh. I love this color. This is literally like, it looks just like MAC's, is it blue brown pigment? And I used to be I feel like I still have that pigment. Where it's at in my collection, I don't know. I haven't seen any of my MAC pigments in years because like I haven't used them. But I'm pretty sure I have this. I'm pretty sure. Ooh, yes, I like that. I like that a lot. I like that a lot. Okay, and then I'm gonna take a little bit more of that Credit shade and just kind of like, you know, make its presence still kind of known. Yeah, I like the way this looks. I'm almost afraid to add in that what is that color called? It's called Wigglelise, but I kind of want to, so I'm going to. If it looks horrible, I guess we just gonna have to work with it, right? There's not really anything that I could do. Okay, so I want to take that Wiggly shade and put that in my inner tear duct. I kind of like doing like stuff that's like not your standard inner corner color and putting it there. Just makes it a little bit more fun. Please look good. I think I probably could have skipped on this, but you know what? I'm gonna make it work. I don't even like this brush. This is the brush from the palette. I don't like this brush, but we've already started. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this and then like blend this into that. It doesn't look bad. It actually doesn't look bad. I'm just gonna bring this, I wanna bring it up a little bit here so it just looks better. Oh, I actually like that. I actually quite like this. How do you solve a problem like Maria? Now I kind of want to watch the Sound of Music. I could watch the Sound of Music tonight. Oh my gosh, yes. Oh my gosh. Yes, that's what I'm gonna do tonight. I'm gonna watch the Sound of Music. Why I just felt prompted in my spirit to watch that, I don't know. But you know what? I'm gonna do it. Okay, I quite like this. I think this is cute. I think this is quite cute. So now, what I do want to do is, let me actually scoop some out. I'm gonna take my gel liner. I need a scooper. I need a scooper. Where is my scooper? Here we go. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to simply scoop some gel liner out. Now I'm not doing a wing. I'm definitely not doing a wing. But what I do like to do sometimes to really give myself like that, like cat eye look, like feline eye, is I take my gel liner, or you can take any wing liner, or not wing liner, any eyeliner you have, right? And you almost kind of have to like cut on top. I'll show you guys. Let me just do it. Okay, so this is what I do first, right? I first place it down, and then I'm gonna take some more liner and clean off the sides of this. And I'm just gonna go a little bit higher, like right here, and cut down, right? And then I like to take a really thin pencil brush like this. This is the Morphe, their M431. Yes, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and like smudge this out. And y'all see what I'm seeing? Like it just looks a little bit more And then when you put on like your lashes, ooh, baby, it just all comes together. So let me go ahead and do the other side. I like this. I quite like this. Okay, so that is that with the Jackie palette. I'm gonna go ahead and go off camera and do the rest of my face. The lashes I'm gonna be using today, of course, AliExpress lashes in the style 5B80. I'm gonna use these, and yeah, I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do the rest of my face, and I'll be back to close out the video. So I'll literally be back in seconds, or in a second. All right, you guys, so this is a completed look, and I absolutely love the way this actually came out. I was worried about that inner corner red shade, but love the way it looks. By the way, for the bottom shadow, I just took that credit shade, that dark brown that I put in the outer part, and I just smudged that all down below. So yes, you guys, this is today's look using the Jackie Aina palette in collaboration with Anastasia Beverly Hills. It was a lot of fun to play with this palette and use it again, and you know, I hope you guys are able to whip this out if you do own it and find some inspiration from this video. If you don't own this palette, and you want to recreate this look, find something in your collection that is similar, that has similar shades, because you know, we're trying to be financially responsible. So I mean, you can't really get the palette anymore anyway, but yes, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Don't forget to comment down below any palettes you want to see for a future Bring It Back Thursday, okay? We're going to be doing this every Thursday for I don't know how long. I'm gonna just keep going until I don't know. I don't really have a time frame for this, so yes, but comment down below what palettes you want to see. And until next time, I'll talk to you beauties later. Bye.